So this is a program which is representing mixed call of a function. So in first line is main, so which is a function used in every program. Now int radius, so radius is an integer. Now float, area perimeter, so area and perimeter are float. Printf /n, enter the radius of circle, so we are telling user to enter radius of a circle. Now scanf %d comma ampersand radius, so scanf ampersand radius is written because we have to store value of radius of entered quantity as radius, so that is why it is written as ampersand radius. Now area peri, so area peri is a function which we will describe later. Area peri radius comma and area and perimeter. Printf area is equal to %f comma area. Printf /n perimeter is equal to %f comma perimeter. Now bracket parenthesis close. Now area peri, so area peri is a function in which intr comma float star a float star p, so star a is equal to 3.14, so address of a, that is star a, is equal to 3.14 star r. Now star p is equal to 2 star 3.14 star r, so which is address of a. Now let us check out output of this program. So enter radius of a circle, that is 5. Now area is 78.50. Now perimeter is equal to 31.40. Here we are making a mixed call, in the sense we are passing the values of radius. So here we are making a mixed call, we are passing the values of radius but addresses of area and perimeter, and since we are passing the addresses, any change that we make in values stored at addresses contained in variable a and p would make the change effective in main. So we are making values which are stored in, that is why when control returns from function area peri, we are able to output the values of area and perimeter. Thus we have been able to indirectly return two values from a called function, and hence overcome the limitation of the return statement, which can return only one value from a function at a time. So we are using return function indirectly in this program, and hence have overcome the limitation of return statement. So return statement can only return only one value from a function at a time. So we have overcome this limitation in this program.